మీ ఉద్యోగ సాధనలో మీకు తోడుగా
మీ SSC Publications.
Yeah, look at the question number 5. A bookseller sells a book at a gain of 10%. If he had bought it 4% less and sold it for 6 rupees more, he would have gained 18.3/4%. The cost price of the book is what? Okay, so first of all we'll learn that 18.3/4% is value is what? 18.3/4% means it is the 3 will be common in. If the 3 will be common in, it becomes what is the value? 6 1/4%. Is it right? 6 1/4%. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25/4 means nothing but 25/400. 25/400 means 1/16. 1/16 means it is nothing but 3/16. It is the value is becomes how much? 3/16. Okay, gained how much means 3/16. When it is happens means comparing to previous selling price, is gained how much more means 3/16. A bookseller sells a book at a gain of 10%. If he had bought it 4% less and sold it for 6 rupees more, he would have gained 18.3/4%. Then the percentage, the cost price of the book is what? Look at, first of all assume that cost price should be 100 rupees. Cost price is what? 100 rupees. Cost price is 100 means selling price is what? After the 10% of gain, it becomes 110. It becomes how much? 110. Just assume it. If you purchase the product for 100 rupees, now you are going to selling the product for 110 with 10% profit. But if you are purchasing the product, I am the shopkeeper, what I am doing? I am purchasing the product and selling the product. If I am purchasing the product for 100, I will sold for the 110. If I purchase for 4% less means this 4% less means it is become for how much rupees? 96. If I got for only 96 rupees, how much profit will take it? How much profit take by my side? Here I am taking 10% profit. 10% profit means how much rupees profit? 10 rupees profit. But second time your cost price is 96 only. At that time you are ready to take how much percentage profit? 18.3/4% profit, nothing but it is equal to 3/16 times. How many times? 3/16 times. 3/16 of 96. 16 to 96 how many times? 6 times. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. That means how much rupees you are going to increase? 18 rupees will be increased. How you get this 18 rupees? Out of 96 I am taking 3/16 and profit means you can make it plus. Okay, 3/16 of 96 it is equal to 16 to 96. 6 times 6 3s are 18. 18 will be added. 4 from the 18 4 will be added to 96 is the whole sum of 100. 100 plus 14 it becomes how much rupees? 114 rupees. I am not going to touching this 6 rupees till now. Okay, assume it. Cost price is 100, selling price is 110 because of this first line. If you are purchasing the product for 100 rupees, you are going to selling the product for 110. Okay, and if you are purchasing the product for only 96 rupees, then your selling price become a 114 rupees. That means in this case your selling price is going to increase. 110 become a 114 rupees means how much rupees is increased? 4 rupees is increased. Comparing to previous selling price, present selling price is how much rupees more? 4 rupees more. 4 rupees more means then 4 parts equal to nothing but you can assume like a 4 parts. 4 parts equal to how much rupees more? 6 rupees more. 4 parts equal to 6 rupees more. 2 parts equal to 3 rupees and 1 part equal to 1.5. 4 into 1.5 you will get 6 rupees. If your assumption is 100 rupees, that is a cost price. Only the cost price is 100 rupees. Your selling price, first selling price to second selling price, how much rupees more? 4 rupees more. If it is so 4 parts equal to 6 rupees, 100 parts equal to how much rupees? Here also we'll multiply with 1.5 times. 100 into 1.5 it is equal to how much rupees? 150 rupees. Your cost price is 150 rupees means which option is right? Option 3. Option 3 is a right answer. Option 3 is a right answer. Otherwise you can go through the option verification. I'm going through the option verification. Directly I'm checking with this third option. Okay, my cost price is 150. As per the option, my cost price is 150. Selling price become what? In this 150, I'm going to take 10%. 10% means it is a 15 rupees will be increased. And 150, 15 rupees will be increased. It is become how much rupees? 165. How much rupees? 165. My cost price is going to decreasing. If I am purchasing the product for 4% less than the previous cost price. Present cost price is 150. Now present cost price is 150. It's going to change because next time you are going to bought for 4% less, but again you are going to purchasing the product. If you purchase the product, again you are going to selling. In this 150, how much rupees? 4%. 4% means what? 150 4 times it is equal to 600. In 600 less means you can make it 6 rupees less, and 150 6 rupees less means it is becomes 144. How much rupees? 144. In 144, now it is your cost price is become 144 rupees only. Your cost price is how much? 144 rupees. Now why it is a 144 rupees? Previous cost price is 150. Now next time cost price is 144 because 4% less you are ready to take. You are just taking 4% less. Now if you are purchasing the product for 144, you are ready to take 3 by 18th part of profit. 3 by 18th. How do you get this 3 by 18th? 3 by 16th, sorry. 3 by 16th profit. How do you get this 3 by 16? How do you get this 3 by 16? Just understanding the point. 18 3 by 4 percentage is gives rise to 3 by 16 after the calculation. Okay. Now it is a 3 by 16th of 144. 16 to 144 9 times. 9 3 is a 27. Now here you are taking 27 rupees profit. 144 plus 27. 144 plus 27, how much it is? 171 rupees. How much rupees? 171 rupees. Now you can understanding the clear point. First selling price becomes second selling price with increment of how much rupees more? 6 rupees more. If you are increasing 6 rupees more, first selling price become a second selling price. First selling price to second selling price, how much rupees difference? 6 rupees more. It happens when you are consider the third option is the right answer. And if you take the checking of third option, you will get a clarity about 6 rupees. Okay. Otherwise, just assumption. Take the assumption 100, any number you can take it, but best you can go through the 100, it's the best result will be come out. 100, 10% is more means it is a 110, and 100, 4% less means it is a 96, and 96 if you take 3 by 16, 3 by 16 of 96 is 18, first selling price to second selling price 4 rupees more, 4 parts equal to 6 rupees, then 100 parts equal to how much rupees? 4 rupees more when it is a cost price is 100, 6 rupees more what is the cost price? That is also you can consider. 4 parts equal to 100, then 6 parts equal to 150. This is the way also you can consider. Then finally option 3 is a right answer. Let's check the next one. Question number 6. Ram bought 1600 eggs at 3.75 rupees per dozen. He sold 900 of them at 2 rupees. 2 for 1 rupee and the remaining at 5 for 2 rupees. His gain percentage is what? His gain percentage is what? How to check it? 3.75 rupees per dozen. Dozen means how many eggs? 12 eggs. Okay. 12 eggs 3.75. 12 eggs 3.75. It is a clear point. And here 900 of them 2 for 1 rupee. 2 for 1 rupee means 1 egg is 50 paise. And the remaining is 5 for 2 rupees. 5 for 2 rupees. Okay. Just assume it. You have only 16 eggs. Otherwise, yes, you have a 16 eggs. 16 eggs you can assume it. Okay. 16 eggs. Here is 9 eggs. Here is remaining eggs means out of 900 remaining eggs is 700. Here is all the zeros is going to cancel. Okay. 16 eggs, each egg is how much? Per dozen 3.75. Per dozen 3.7 means in 16 eggs how many dozens are there? 1.5 dozen is there. How much dozens? 1.5 dozen is there. 1.5 dozen purpose how much money it is? Okay. 1 dozen is equal to 3.75. 1.5 dozen is equal to how much? That is the one case. And we have a 9 eggs. You have a 9 eggs. Each 2 eggs 1 rupee. Each 2 eggs is 1 rupee means how much money? 2 eggs 1 rupee. 4 eggs 2 rupees. 6 eggs 3 rupees. Okay, this is the way. 8x 4 rupees. Okay, and 9x how much rupees? 2x 1 rupee means 9x is 4.5 rupees. How much rupees? 4.5 rupees. It is going to selling. Now 3.75 you have a 16x. You have a how many x? 16x only. Not 1600, just consider like a 16x. In 16x each dozen 12x is 3.75. 16x is how much? Okay, 12x is 3.75. 16x is how much? Nothing but 1.5. Here 1 dozen is equal to 3.75 rupees. Half dozen is equal to how much rupees? 1 dozen means 12x, okay, and half dozen means 6x, okay, but you need 16 only. 16 means extra 4x. 4x purpose how much it is cost? 4x purpose how much it is cost? This is the way you can consider. That means nothing but 1/3 of x. You can consider like a 1/3 of dozen. Okay, 1/3 of dozen. So 1 dozen means 12. 1/3 of dozen means 4. 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is becomes what? 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. 1 dozen is equal to 3.75. 1/3. 1/3 means you can consider 3 1s are 3. 3 25s are. That means whole sum of cost price is how much? 1 dozen plus 1/3 of dozen. 1 dozen is equal to 12x. 1/3 of dozen is equal to 4x. 4 plus 12 total how many x? 16x. This is your purchasing worth. 3.75 and 1.25 it is equal to how much rupees? 5 rupees. It is equal to how much rupees? 5 rupees. Clear. So you have a cost price now. This is total value. This total value is belongs to cost price only. Now you are going to checking for selling price. For 9x selling price is how much rupees? 4.5. Remaining how many x are there? Remaining 7x are there. Remaining how many x are there? 7x are there. 7x sold for how much rupees? 5 for 2 rupees. 5 for 2 rupees means 1 egg is how much? 5/2. Okay, 1 egg is how much? Means it is a 5x for 2 rupees. Okay, that means 1 egg is equal to 2/5, but I need to calculate for 7x. 7x value is how much? Okay, 2/5. 5x is 2 rupees, then 1 egg is 2/5, then 7x means 2 7s are 14. Okay, 14/5. You will get 14/5. 14/5 means nothing but it is equal to 2.8 rupees. How much rupees? 2.8 rupees. How do you get this 2.5 rupees? 5x 2 rupees. Okay, you have a 7x. You have a 7x. In 7x, 5x. Each 5x 2 rupees. Each 5x 2 rupees. Extra how many x you have? 2x you have. Then 2x worth is how much? 5x is equal to 2 rupees means 1 egg is equal to 2/5, then 2x is equal to 4/5. 4/5 is equal to how much percentage? 80%. That is you can call as 0.8. 0.8 plus 2 rupees means nothing but it is the whole sum of how much rupees? 2.8 rupees. Okay, this is the way you can calculate. Now here the point is selling prices we have. Selling price is how much? This is totally selling price consideration. This is a totally cost price consideration. Cost price is 5 rupees for 16x. 16x you purchased for 5 rupees and solding them for 4.5 plus 2.8. 4.5 for first 9x, 7x for 2.8. Total value is how much? 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 6. 5 plus 8 13. That means it is equal to 7.3. 45 plus 28 it is equal to 7.3 rupees. 7.3 rupees means, so comparing to 5 rupees you have a 7.3 rupees selling price. This is belongs to cost price. This is belongs to cost price and this is belongs to selling price. Selling price is 7.3. Selling price is 7.3. Then 5 rupees 7.3 means how much it is difference? The difference is 2.3. 2.3/5. Comparing to 5 rupees you have a 2.3 rupees profit. We need percentage multiply with 100. So one decimal purpose 0 cancel. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Now you are going to calculating profit percentage. 23 2s are. It is equal to how much percentage profit? 46% is profit. 46% is profit means which option is right? Option 4. Option 4 is a right answer. Okay, don't be calculate like a hectic calculation. Simple way you can go. I will explain again. You have a 16 eggs. Okay, 1600 eggs. Just I am taking here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancelled. It is becomes just 16x. In 16x, first part 9x, second part 7x. Okay, this is about cost price. 16x you purchased and you are solding 9x and 7x separately. 9x and 7x separately. This 16x purchasing worth value is how much? Purchasing worth value is each one dozen 3.75, each one dozen 3.75, then 16x means how many dozens? 1 dozen plus 4x extra. Okay, 1 dozen plus 4x extra. 4x means nothing but 1/3 of dozen. Okay, 1 dozen plus 1/3 of dozen means nothing, means 1/3 dozen. 1/3 dozen. Here 3.75 per dozen. Okay, that means 1 egg is equal to how much? 3.75 by 12. Am I right? Okay, 1 egg is equal to 3.75 by 12. Then 1 dozen is equal to 3.75. I need to calculate 16. Okay, 12 to 16. Here 4 4s are 4 3s are. Okay, you can calculate like this. Okay, here 4 3s are 4 4s are. 3 1s are and 3 1.25s are. 4 into 1.25. 1.25 double 2.5. 2.5 double is 5. That means purchasing of 16x worth is how much rupees? 5 rupees. How much rupees? 5 rupees. That is a purchasing worth. Now you are going to calculating for selling price. Okay, selling price. Here 9x you have. Okay, 9x you are separating. Out of 16x you are taking a 2 parts. One is 9x, another is 7x. In 9x, each egg worth is how much? 2 eggs are 1 rupee. 2 eggs are 1 rupee means 2 double value is become half. 2 eggs 1 rupee. 4 eggs 2 rupees. 6 eggs 3 rupees. Now 9x is how much rupees? 4.5 rupees. How much rupees? 4.5 rupees. Now coming to the 7x now. 7x. Out of 7x, every 5x 2 rupees. Every 5x 2 rupees means 1 egg is how much rupees? 1 egg is 2 by 5. Okay, 1 egg is equal to 2 by 5. 7 into 2 by 5, 7 2s are 14. 14 by 5. 14 by 5 means nothing but it is a 2.8 rupees. This is what selling price of 7x, and this is selling price of 9x. 4.5 plus 2.8 is equal to total selling price. Total selling price is become what? 2 plus 4 6. 8 plus 5 13. Nothing but it is a 7.3. That means 16x you purchased for 5 rupees and 9 plus 7 again 16x you are solding for 7.3 rupees. Then finally how much rupees profit means? So 2.3 rupees profit comparing to 5 rupees. We need percentage multiply with 100. 2.3 into 100 it is a 230. 230 is divided by 5. It is equal to how much percentage? 46% is profit. Then which option is right? Option 4 is right. Whatever I did a calculation in the same way I applied here. Okay, so of course I given it 2 times of clear explanation, but you can try to understand. You can't manage the values here. You can't manage the values, so that's why you can go through the point. And it is a 3.75 per dozen only. It is not for 1 egg. It is not for 1 egg. It is equal to 1 dozen. Okay, let's check the next question. Merchant has 1000 kg of sugar, part of which he sells 8% is profit and the rest at 18% is profit. He gains 14% on the whole. The quantity is sold at 18% is profit. Okay, here he have 1000 kgs. First you need to calculate 18% is profit. 18% is profit purpose X part he taken. How many part? X part. So remaining part is what? 1000 minus X. 1000 minus X. 1000 minus X and X total become how many kgs? 1000 kgs. Okay, 1000 kgs. First 1000 minus X part is going to selling for 18% profit. How much percentage profit? 18% profit. Next, remaining part sold at 18% profit. Remaining part I am assuming X. Okay, first part is 1000 minus X. Okay, if it is this is X, it is becoming 1000 minus X. Then whole sum, it is a whole sum of 1000 kgs sold at for how much percentage profit? How much percentage profit? 14% profit. How much percentage profit? 14% profit. This is equation based. This is a calculation is resultant for equation based. If you want to solve the question in equation based, you can apply this case. Okay. Now you can calculate clearly. Here percentage, here percentage going to cancel. 8 into 1000, 80,000. 8,000 minus into 8x minus 8x 18x 18x minus 8x, it is equal to plus 10x and 14 into 1000, 14,000. From 14,000, 8,000 will be removed, you will get 6,000. You will get how many thousand? 6,000. Then 10x equal to 6,000. 10x equal to 6,000. 0, 0 cancel. X equal to how many kgs? X equal to how many kgs means 600 kgs. X equal to 600 kgs. That means what you can understand here. Okay. So we need to calculate X only. That I need. Why I am calculating for X? Because how much percentage? 18% profit by how many kgs sold for 18% profit? How many kgs sold for 18% profit means 600 kgs. 600 kgs. Then which option is right? Option 2 is a right answer. Option 2 is a right answer. Okay. This is the way you can solve it. Okay. Otherwise, you can apply the alternative method. The alternative method like mixture and alligation method. Mixture and alligation method is very easy. First part is 8% profit. First part I don't know. Second part also I don't know. Then 18% profit. Whole profit is how much? 8% profit, 18% profit, and whole sum how much percentage profit means 14% profit. 14% profit. 18 to 14 difference is 4 and 14 to 8 difference is 6. This is 8% profit said I am solding for 4 kgs. 18% profit I am solding for 6 kgs. 6 plus 4 total how many kgs? 10 kgs. 10 parts equal to 1000 kgs. 10 parts equal to 1000 kgs means 1 part equal to 100 kgs. Then 6 parts equal to how many kgs? 600 kgs. We need to calculate. This is a very easy calculation. At 18% profit, how many kgs sold out? 600 kgs sold out. Okay. No need to calculate in a equation base. When you are applying the mixture and alligation method, it is a easy to solve in mixture and alligation. Finally, you can say which option is right? Option 2. Option 2 is a right answer. Look at the question. 8th one. A man sold an article at a loss of 20%. If he sell the article 12 rupees more, he would have gained 10%. First time he sold an article with loss of how much percentage? 20%. Second time he is ready to sell the article with 10% profit with increasing of how much rupees more? 12 rupees more. Okay, when he is increasing the selling price, automatically he is getting the profit of 10%. Then previously he is getting a loss. Then when you are facing a loss and gain or loss and profit, what you have to do? So loss and profit you have it and both are added. When you have a opposite genders like loss and profit, what I told you to do that, so both should be added. Loss and profit both are added. It is becomes what? 20 plus 10 is equal to how much percentage? 30%. This 30% is equal to how much rupees? 12 rupees. This type of question already we done it in a previous already 7 questions completed na. Out of the 7 question, already 1 question is same type of question is there. So that's why it is a gain and loss is there, both should be added. 30% is equal to 12 rupees. Then cost price they are asking. Cost price should be always equal to 100%. Original actual price. Always you can assume like a 100%. Then what is the answer? Okay, then what is the answer? Here is 0 0 will be cancelled. 3 parts equal to 12 rupees. 3 parts equal to 12 rupees means 3 4s are 12. Here also I multiply with 4. 10 into 4 is equal to how much rupees? 40 rupees. It is equal to cost price. The cost price of the product is 40 rupees. Option 2 is a right answer. Option 2 is a right answer. Of course, maybe you have a doubt, you can check with 40 rupees. 40 rupees, first time 20% loss. First time 20% loss means the product value is 80% only. The product value is how much rupees? 80%. 100% is the original value. On the cost price you are applying the 80%. It is more than 100% it is a profit, but less than 100% it is loss. 80%. 80% is of 40 rupees. 8 4s are 32. Percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, 8 4s are 32. And same 40 rupees you need to take 10% profit. 10% profit means it is become a 110%. This is the first selling price, this is the second selling price. 11 4s are 44. First selling price become a second price selling price after increment of how much rupees? 12 rupees. This 12 rupees is here. 12 rupees more. Comparing to first selling price, second selling price is how much rupees more? 12 rupees more. Okay, when you're checking with option based, I am checking with second option, I got it answer. Okay, but no need to do this. Always when you're getting a gain and loss, you have to do the addition. Either loss and loss you have faced, you can do the subtraction. Profit you will get, you can do the subtraction. Otherwise profit or loss you can get, both are opposite genders. Opposite genders, what you have to do? Plus you can do, addition you can do it. Okay, this is the opposite gender purpose addition and different genders purpose addition, same genders purpose subtraction. That's you have to apply directly, you will get an answer like this. Okay, this is enough. Whatever the point I told you, that it is the same way you can calculate, then you will get cost price directly. This is the calculation is enough to solve the overall question here. Okay, let's check the next one. The radio is sold for 990 at a profit of 10%. What would have been the gain or loss percentage had it been sold for 890? 890. Cost price should be always 100%. 100%. First time it is sold for 10% profit. 10% profit means 110%. 110% is equal to 110% is equal to 990. I need to calculate for cost price. Then 110% is equal to 990. 100% is equal to how much rupees? 110 to 990. How many times? 9 times. Here also multiply with 9. 9 into 100, how much rupees? 900 rupees. How much rupees? 900 rupees. Now cost price is 900, but it is the same cost price. The product worth is 900 rupees. You want to sold with the product is 890. You are selling for 890. That means 900 rupees product become a 890 means the reducing value is how much rupees? 10 rupees. 900 worth of the product you are selling for 890 means compulsory you will get a loss. How much rupees loss you are getting? 10 rupees loss you are getting. 10 rupees loss you are getting comparing to your original cost price. Original cost price is 900 rupees. You need percentage, multiply with 100. 0000 will be cancelled. 10 by 9 percentage is the answer. How much answer? 10 by 9 percentage loss. But you don't have an option like this. You have options. 10 by 9 value is how many times it is dividing? 10 is dividing 9 times. 9 1 ja and 1 place. That means which option is right? It is a second option is a right answer. 1 by 9% is a right answer. This is the way you can calculate. This is the first selling price. First selling price with 10% profit. Second selling price with how much percentage loss? 1 by 9% loss. Comparing to 890. I am comparing with 890. 890 to 900. Selling price to it is 890. Comparing to 890 to 900, how much rupees loss means 10 rupees loss on 900. We need percentage. You should apply like this. 1 by 9% is the loss here. Okay, this is the way you can calculate. Look at the next one. Here I'm selling an article of for 48 rupees, one loss is 20%. In order to gain 20%, what would have the selling price? They are asking a selling price. Okay, here already it is a sold out, again they are asking for selling price. Already given a selling price, again they are asking selling price, means given selling price, old selling price assume like a SP1. You need calculate for new selling price assume like a second selling price. Old selling price, new selling price, old selling price, new selling price. Otherwise given selling price, and you need to calculate for new selling price. Given selling price, new selling price. Given selling price is equal to how much percentage? Given selling price is 48 rupees with a plus of how much percentage? 20%. We know that cost price should be always equal to 100% or 100 rupees, and 100% 20% loss means that is the product is sold out for 80%. 80% is equal to 48 rupees. Now need to calculate new selling price. New selling price with a profit of how much percentage? 20%. With the profit of 20% means it's become how much percentage? 120%. 120% is equal to what? 120% is equal to what? Here is how to calculate. Simple way. 8 to 48 how many times? 6 times. 12 to the question mark how many times? 6 times. 12 6 are 72. Second selling price becoming 72. If you are selling a product with 72 rupees, compulsory you will get a how much percentage profit? 20% profit. 20% profit. Given selling price, with reference of given selling price you need to calculate new selling price. If you want to cost price should be always equal to 100%. Here multiply with 6, here multiply with, here also multiply with 6. 10 into 6 is equal to how much rupees? 60 rupees. Sir, what about 0? Neglect it, not required. Okay, here the 0, not required. 8 parts equal to 48, 12 parts equal to 72. Directly you are getting answer na. So selling price 1, selling price 2. Then reference of cost price. Assume like a cost price should be always equal to how much percentage? 100%. You will get a direct answer. And no need to calculate this pen and paper also. Simply 80%. When it is 20% loss, our mind will be calculated very sharply. When 20% loss, it is becoming 80%. 80% is equal to 48 in our mind, fix it. 80% is equal to 48, 8 to 48, 0.6 times. 20% profit means we need 120%. 120% means it is multiplied with 0.6. Here 0.6, one decimal cancel, 12 6, the answer is what? 72. Which option is right? Option 4 is the right answer. This is the type of question is not required a pen and paper also. You need to calculate by practice. You need to calculate directly. In a direct mode, when you calculate, it is not required a pen and paper also for this type of smaller questions. Okay.